Stop wasting hours on manual business tasks that a simple AI can handle in one click. Today, I'll show you how Gemini's free tools can automate your entire workflow, from emails to presentations. We're talking about powerful features like Google AI Studio, Notebook LM, and Gemini Canvas, all for zero cost. Look at this. With just one prompt, I'm generating a full 13-slide deck using the new Canvas feature. No more manual typing or searching for images. Gemini handles the research and the design together. You can even export these directly to Google Slides and edit them however you like. If you've been feeling the stress of a heavy manual workflow, this video is exactly what you need. We'll also explore how to use our thinking shortcuts to get deeper reasoning without paying for a pro plan. I've spent weeks testing these free automations so you don't have to waste a single minute. Let's dive deep into the first solution, automating your research with Notebook LM. First, let's open Notebook LM. This tool is completely free and acts like a personal research assistant. Simply upload your PDFs, meeting notes, or even YouTube links to create a source base. Now ask Gemini to summarize the main points or generate a structured report from these documents. This replaces hours of manual reading and note-taking with a single clear overview. You can even generate an audio overview. It's like a podcast discussing your own research. Imagine having two AI hosts explain your complex business data while you drink your coffee. This is a game changer for staying updated on industry trends without feeling the burnout. No more manual data entry, just pure automated insights delivered to you instantly. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more AI secrets. Next up, let's look at how to automate your email stress directly inside Gmail. Gmail is entering the Gemini era, and it's about to handle all those unread threads for you. Use Help Me Write to draft perfect emails in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen. It even summarizes massive email chains so you can catch up on projects instantly. But Gemini's power extends beyond Gmail into your entire Google Drive and Docs. You can match the exact tone and format of your old documents for a consistent brand voice. Need a spreadsheet? Just upload a PDF and Gemini will build a working tracker for you. It can even create personal slides recapping your life or business updates from the last few months. This is all part of personal intelligence AI that actually knows your business and life. From finding your car's tire size in old photos to retrieving flight details, it's your ultimate assistant. And don't worry, you have full control to opt in or turn off these features anytime. Gemini Canvas is the ultimate workhorse for creating editable slides from scratch. While others argue about which model is powerful, the secret is knowing when to use this specific tool for visual data. The pro tip is to gather all your material first, like your business reports before opening a new chat. Drop your research into Canvas and ask it to build a structured, professional presentation instantly. Use the Export to Slides button to get a fully editable Google Slides file. Unlike static images, this allows you to tweak text, change fonts, or use Nano Banana to swap out photos right inside the deck. Beyond slides, Gemini is incredible for sketching out UI and UX design ideas. It creates visual mock-ups directly in Canvas for your web apps, ensuring you can visualize complex layouts without needing professional training. It handles the complex reasoning behind the scenes, like automatically suggesting high contrast colors and large touch targets if your application is meant to be used outdoors in bright sunlight during sports events. The real genius is knowing what to ignore. Copy the generated code into tools like Claude Code to finish building your actual app. This tool stacking strategy ensures you stay ahead of 99% of people. Use Nano Banana Pro inside Gemini to alter or improve any existing images with extreme precision. For high-end work, check out FreePic Spaces to iterate and spin up multiple versions of your design simultaneously. FreePic Spaces lets you iterate faster by generating multiple image versions without watermarks. Use the node editor to add cartoon versions of yourself into any design effortlessly. This iterative process allows you to act like a professional creative director, refining and improving every single step of your project. Next, let's explore Google AI Studio Beast for video and audio. Upload screen recordings of award-winning websites to get inspiration for interactive animations and advanced designs that stock templates just can't match. Google AI Studio is the ultimate powerhouse for handling complex automation that standard chatbots simply can't touch. It features a massive 1 million token context window, allowing you to process thousands of lines of code or hours of video data effortlessly. This playground is perfect for non-coders to automate high-level business logic for free. A massive feature here is multimodal reasoning, where Gemini analyzes visual and auditory data simultaneously from long recordings. You can upload an hour-long meeting and ask the AI to identify specific emotional cues or visual highlights. It turns unstructured media into structured business insights in seconds, saving you from manual analysis stress. For professional web designers, AI Studio offers a unique hack using Allward's website recordings. Instead of static screenshots, record the site's interactivity and hover effects to capture the true user experience. Gemini analyzes this recording and helps you recreate a similar advanced feel for your own projects without generic stock templates. The AI can even break down the specific logic behind complex scroll animations that you see on high-end websites. This builds a bridge between your creative vision and technical execution perfectly. You gain authority by building experiences that resonate with your audience, all from a simple screen capture analysis. Deep research is another game changer, acting as an agentic model that validates information across thousands of online sources. It compiles detailed reports that cover every angle of your query, acting like a business strategist working for you. This turns overwhelming search results into clear, actionable power for your business decisions. You can now personalize this research by stacking sources from your private Google Drive and Gmail threads. This allows the AI to combine the world's knowledge with your specific business context. You get highly accurate and tailored reports that remove the stress of dealing with outdated or generic AI responses. This pro strategy helps you identify competitor market gaps by analyzing customer pain points on Reddit and YouTube. It provides deep insights into what competitors are missing, giving you an unfair advantage in the marketplace. You essentially build a world-class strategy department for the cost of a few prompts. Master this process by using extensive meta prompts that steer the AI toward expert-level results every time. These prompts provide deep context that prevents generic fluff and forces the model to reason through complex problems. Gemini 3.1 Pro is beating the competition in visual benchmarks, like rendering complex animated SVGs flawlessly. Whether it's palms, skylines, or even the Death Star over LA, its performance is impressive. This model solves novel problems by pushing the limits of multimodal reasoning across text, image, and code. It can even create entire web apps from a side project idea in minutes, which was previously unfeasible for most. This level of reasoning across multiple tools makes it a frontier model worth considering for any high-level performance task. It's about leveraging these updates to stay ahead of 99% of people. Gemini's LIA3 model has mastered sound, allowing creators to generate 30-second music tracks from a simple text prompt. Whether you need nostalgic Afro beats or a cinematic YouTube intro, it delivers original tracks with lyrics and vocals. It even automatically generates matching cover art for every track you create. The image-to-song feature takes it further by analyzing the visual mood of your photos or videos to match them with music. A sunny beach video gets upbeat acoustic sounds, while dark shots get moody orchestral scores automatically. This saves hours spent trolling through stock music libraries for the perfect background track. Every LIA3 track is copyright safe and transparently marked with SymphID watermarking, Google's AI detection system. This ensures your content stays legally safe and follows modern transparency rules for professional creators. Gemini in Chrome is another productivity game changer, with a side panel assistant that lives right next to your websites. You can highlight text for instant summaries or compare data across pages without switching tabs. It even features Nano Banana, a lightweight AI model that runs locally on your device for speed and privacy. Specialized models like AlphaGenome are pushing AI into every industry, including medical research and DNA analysis. Open sourcing these tools allows smaller labs and universities to access cutting-edge tech previously reserved for tech giants. This accelerates discoveries in cancer research, genetic disorders, and even aging globally. Project Genie takes things to a futuristic level by generating entire interactive 3D worlds from a single prompt. You can walk, drive, or even fly through a world that builds itself in real time as you move. It opens up massive possibilities for game developers, teachers, and brands creating virtual showrooms. Prompt Buddy is a built-in expert that helps you refine vague prompts into high-converting results. It asks smart questions about your audience and goals to craft the perfect instruction for blog posts or landing pages. This eliminates the learning curve, giving business owners expert outputs immediately without any hassle. For web design, Gemini Stitch and Anti-Gravity allow you to build and deploy entire apps by just talking to the AI. You can prototype websites in minutes and even create full-stack mobile apps with databases and login systems. It levels the playing field for solo entrepreneurs to launch professional products without a technical team. Every minute you save with these Gemini automations is a minute you gain back for your personal life and business growth. Reclaim your time by letting AI handle the repetitive details so you can focus on high-level strategy. It's about building a future where you work smarter, not harder, starting today. Thank you for joining me, PC Error Detective, on this automation journey. Subscribe for more insider secrets to scale your business with AI.